Azriella. Psst. Azriella. Oh man. Hello. Hello, what's up everybody? So this is Sam, and we wanted to do an open box of Judy. It is basically a emergency kit, but these are like 3 different emergency kits here. We have a Fanny Pack, a waterproof backpack, and then I believe it's a waterproof storage tub. But I'm going to go ahead and open, I believe, the first box on top. And if you haven't heard of Judy, I would recommend actually going to their site and actually checking it out, because it's pretty cool stuff. It makes it really simple for you to be prepared for any natural disaster that takes place. So this is a little handheld bag. As you can see, it has a pretty thick material here. Nice zipper. It is not a YKK zipper. It's just a regular zipper. So for anybody that I'm gonna ask that. Nice little embroidered or stitched name on the outside. Nice stitching. As you can tell, there's no loose strings, no tears, no holes. All good. Now let's see what's inside. Alright, so I'm going to place it back in the box here. So this is something you can just carry in your car, maybe your kid's diaper bag, or maybe even just in your personal bag where you go. It's a small little first aid kit. It's actually pretty cool. It's tin. It looks like there's some stuff in it. Let's see. Ugh. And there is. Alright, so there's some antiseptic hand sanitizer, burn cream, and some bandages. And I'm pretty well, there's more than enough space to put actually a little more bandages in there if you want to. But they did send some. That's pretty cool. Let's check it out. We also have Judy's hand sanitizer. It tells you what's in it, what lot, it's where it's made, and everything's made in the USA. So that's pretty cool. Hand sanitizer, 1 ounce with aloe and vitamin E. We need to keep our hands not only disinfected but also moisturized so it doesn't crack. Wet wipes, antibacterial wet wipes, 10 pieces. Let's see what else there is. So there's tissues for your nose when you have a runny nose. Let's see. It seems like there's only maybe a pair of latex gloves in here. So for anybody that gets cuts or scrapes. But that's a really good idea. You know, you can go ahead and keep the bag after and put another pair of latex gloves. And then, because we're in this pandemic, they sent some dust masks. And so if you're out and about, or maybe you're around something that smoke or something like that, outdoors, but that's in the first pack, and that's pretty cool. So all of it fits into this nice little baggie, and it's very, oh, look at that. And there is a nice little side zipper, and also another stitched leather Judy tag. And as you can hear my daughter making little grunting noises. So I'm guessing you could even put like maybe your wallet, maybe cards, money, maybe even a flashlight or something. I don't know. But you can put anything. It's the length of pretty much the length of the side wall. Pretty cool. All right, here's the second one. Let's check it out. Second box. Ready, set, Judy. And this is pretty awesome. It is a nice bright orange Fanny Pack. And if anybody's into Fanny Packs, this is the way to go. Whoops. So as you can tell, it has a front zipper. Once again, there is no YKK zippers. Just so for you guys that love zippers. It has a nice, I don't even know what material this is. I want to say it's It's not nylon, I don't know, but it's really nice. Really nice, reflective. Let's see here. Ooh, very nice. And it has a back zipper as well. We might have to check that out. Let's see here. Alright, there's nothing in the back zipper. But I'm pretty sure if you want to take like maybe your credit card or your phone, it's good to have that in the back so people don't try to take it. Let's see here. Let's see what's in the first zipper. Let's check it out. Oh man, there's just a whole bunch of goodies in here. So it's first thing we see here is a glow stick for any type of emergencies. 2 glow sticks. It seems like there is a poncho. There's 2 ponchos. Oh, look at this. There is a new Millennium Energy Bar vanilla, and this is like vacuum sealed to the max. 400 calories of low sodium. Let's see here. Vitamin A6, vitamin C, calcium, iron, thiamine, riboflavin, and niacin. So it looks pretty good. I haven't looked at the ingredients, but this is one of the things they offer in the bag. Obviously, I said ponchos. What else? Emergency blankets. So if you have some cold shock. What is it called? I forgot. But anyway, to warm you up or to keep you away from dust. Again, we got some dust masks and another energy bar. Let's see what these big packs are. Oh, these are pretty cool. Look at that. Your emergency drinking water. It's U.S. Coast Guard number, the approval, Lloyd's Register type, and also I have to look into what the MCA means, and New Zealand, but it is U.S. Coast Guard approved, SOS Food Lab, and that's what it is. Directions for use. It comes in different languages. It gives you the expiration date. It's good from 11/20 to 11/25, so that is 5 years, folks. But yeah, so you have 2 packages of drinking water, and so I believe this is probably like a 2-person pack. Once again, it has a small inside zipper, but let's see what's in the front zipper here. Alright, and so let's see what's in the front pocket. Once again, we have our handy dandy first aid, and we know what's in there. Some bandages, some room for some extra bandages, alcohol wipes, all that good stuff. And it's, ooh, what is this? What is this? It's an emergency whistle. Look at that. Very nice. And it comes on a little keychain so you can put on the zipper. And I think that's it for this one. Alright, let's check out this one. This is our third one. It's called the Mover Max. It's an actual waterproof backpack. I don't know exactly how many people this is for, but as you can tell, we're on from 1 person. From the first little bag is called the Safety. The Fanny Pack is for a 2-person. And let's see what this one is. So, nice bubble safety wrap for the bag. Packaging. So it has a nice strap, and this thing is pretty heavy actually. As you can tell, it's waterproof, so if you ever have a flood where you're at, it's pretty good. Obviously it is a Judy. It's called the Mover Max, so if you're a family of maybe 2, 3, maybe even 4, this is good for you to get. It has a nice zipper, a front zipper, I'm assuming, so you can have a list maybe of your children, maybe some IDs for them, some extra papers, maybe, I don't know, identification papers, stuff like that, copies of something to put in the front. It's a pretty good sized pocket. It's also waterproof. The stitching is really well. There's no openings. It has 2 clips, one for the top and one that goes over, and I believe it rolls, and it does. And this part is pretty stiff. It's nice. And so let's see. So inside we see that there's safety and warmth. I'm not going to open the box because look, it has everything there. Desk mask, ponchos, gloves, glow sticks, emergency whistle, hand warmers, and a rescue blanket. Perfect. That's safety and warmth. Put that to the side. This is tools and first aid, which is a multi-tool, duct tape, mini roll, first aid kit, biohazard bag, quick dry towel, pocket tissue, hand sanitizer, wet wipes, a hand crank radio, and a charger flashlight. And I believe, from what I read, is that the flashlights already come pre-charged, so you don't have to open it up, take it out, and possibly forget it somewhere, that it's already there, and this one is extremely heavy. Ooh. Let's see, this is food and water. This is a 5-year shelf life, food bars, and water pouches. So there's a bunch of food bars and water pouches. Let's see how. This is a pretty good bag, look at that. And so it's pretty much the length of my arm. I am about 5'9", 5'10", and so it's pretty deep. You could actually add stuff to the sides of this bag, maybe if you want to put like a sweater, or maybe your child's stuffed animal. I don't know exactly, but look at how much room there. Last but not least, this is called the safe. It is a family of 4 up to 72 hours. Look at this. Alright, so it says Judy. So, oh, there we go. Look at it. It says item description. The starter, B2B, which is a small little handbag. And then the safety, which was the Fanny Pack. And then the Mover Max, which was the backpack. And then the safe is this one that we're opening today, right now. It is a box. More like a, what would you call it, a storage box. Storage bin. So there you go, those are all the names. It says, Ready, Set, Judy. You could contact them for any issues with your order, but let's check this safe out. The safe, I should say. Alright. It says, welcome to Judy, you're ready for anything kit. We get a little description. They did the work for us, navigate you in any scenario from household accidents to natural disasters and everything in between. Judy has you covered. Get ready to be ready. And that's pretty much it. It's a nice little cardboard informing you what they do, why they do it. Alright. Alright, let's see what's in this, the safe. Alright, so that's pretty cool. The handles are actually clips as well. Alright. Let's see. Durable plastic there. So as you can see, it has tools, water, first aid, safety, food, and warmth. It labeled everything. Let's see, everything's pretty much going the other way. Let's turn this around. So in the safety, it has your dust mask, ponchos, gloves, glow sticks, emergency whistles, food bars. It says to add room to your own non-perishables. So it gives you actual room to order or to put your own non-perishable food in there. Pretty awesome. Rescue blankets, hand warmers, waterproof matches, and candles in your warmth box. Has your tools, which is multi-purpose bags, multi-tool, duct tape mini roll, hand crank radio, charger, and a flashlight. And then in the water, it gives your 5-year shelf life water pouches. It doesn't exactly say how many, but that would be nice if they did. First aid kit, it has your biohazard bag, your quick dry towel, pocket tissues, hand sanitizer, wet wipes. That's in your first aid. So it comes with 6 different boxes, and in the food it gives you extra room to add your own non-perishables. So yes, this is, as you can tell, it's pretty, there's not really much room. I mean, there you can put some papers if you need to, if you really had to, or even on the top. But there you go. This is called Get Ready Judy. And this is called the safe. Alright. Thank you guys, and I appreciate you watching. Have a great day. Get prepared, get ready. Thank you for tuning in. Bye.